around year 2020, I lost around $300 by sending a particular coin to the wrong address. And what really happened was that I have this particular coin on Binance. There was a notification that was sent around that that particular coin would be delisted from Binance. So, without having much crypto knowledge, I decided to send that particular coin to my Bitget account. So, on searching that particular coin, I never knew those coins was just having the same name, but they are different coins. So I sent it to it. So after few hours, I tried to check the coin. I saw that the coin was not showing on my Bitru account. So I decided to contact their customer care. So I was told that the coin was sent to a particular wrong address. So in this particular video, I'm sharing with you how you could send your Pi to the correct address so that you will not miss it. And I've seen somebody that actually sent a spy to the wrong network, and that was how this particular person was able to lose $1,000. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to send your Pi. So we'll be making use of CoinMarketCap, and I'll be dropping the link in the description. CoinMarketCap is just a site where you could use to check the price of a token and some exchange which they are listed. So this is my CoinMarketCap, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification. So when you click on the link to CoinMarketCap, it will bring you to an interface like this. So the first thing to do is that we need to check exchanges that Pi is listed, so that we will not be sending, because you can see in other exchanges, you see that this is Pi, and when you see, you just discover that you send it to a wrong address. So you tap on that search button, you will type it Pi, you allowed it to load. So you click on this particular first one. Now you could say that price is actually going up. So let's look at the list of exchanges where Pi is listed. So we have to scroll down to where we'll see exchanges. Let's okay. These are exchanges where Pi is currently trading. So the coin market cap, and this is one of these site that every crypto enthusiast or trader needs to be using. Is that you can use coin market cap or CoinGecko. So OKS, Bitget, Gate.io. So in this particular video, I'll be making use of Bitget and Gate.io. So let's say I have my Pi in Bitget. I want to send from Bitget to Gate.io. So let's go to my Bitget account. So yesterday I created a video on how to buy and sell your Pi. If you haven't watched it, kindly I'll be dropping the link in the description so you could watch it. So I will now have a Bitget account. I'll be dropping my link in the description of this particular video, so I can use the link to download it on your mobile phone and also try to complete your KYC. So let's say I'm having it, or I have my Pi on my Bitget exchange. So what you need to do when you are on the home page like this, you come down to asset. Let's say I want to transfer it from my Bitget to another exchange. So you have to come down to this place called Spot. So you tap on Spot. So you have to search it out, because there are a lot of coins on this particular exchange. So instead of you to start scrolling down to P, you just kindly make use of the search button. So let's search for Pi. You could see you scroll down. So let's tap on it. So what we have to do here now, another thing we have to do is to click on this three line. So you tap on it. We'll tap on withdraw. So what you need to note here, which is very key, is that this on-chain means you are transferring to another exchange, and this internal transfer means you are transferring from one Bitget account to another. That the one for transfer from one Bitget from one Bitget account to another, I'll be doing another video on it. For this one, we are sending to another wallet, so we need to tap on the on-chain. So let's allow it to load, and let's look at the details that will be asked. So now you could see now that we are asked to provide the withdrawal address and the minimum. The minimum we can withdraw is 10 Pi. And now if you click on it, the network is on Pi network. So let's go to the address we want to send it to. So this is my MEXC exchange, and you can see that Pi also was listed here. So what I have to do here now is to come down to this particular place, to come down to wallet. I have to tap on wallet. Still, we have to be on spot. Don't forget that you have to be on spot. That is very very important. So let's tap on Pi. Okay, Pi is already there. Then we'll tap on deposit. So what you have to do is that you have to copy this particular address here. This particular address you have to copy, which is the Pi network. You could see that it's showing here that is on Pi network. So you have to copy it. You have to copy it. You could see it copy successfully. I will go to our biggest exchange to paste it there. So these are biggest exchange now. You have to paste it there. And let's say we are transferring around 200 Pi. So one thing you need to note is that you need to look at the transaction fee. The transaction fee is around 0.04 Pi, which is very, very low. So when it will get delivered to my MEXC exchange, I'll be getting around 199.96. I think Pi currently is having one of the cheapest network fee for completing transaction. I think I was thinking Tron was the cheapest. I think anybody that wants to transfer coin from one exchange to another is looking for the cheapest. I think Pi currently now is having one of the cheapest because this is currently less than $1. Very, very cheap. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like and comment your thought in what you see in this particular video, and also click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other. So the last you just need to do here is just to tap on withdraw. So when you tap on withdraw, that is all, and you just put on your transaction pin on it, and before you know, within minutes it will appear. Because if we check on our MEXC exchange here, let me click on my withdraw this thing, that it will be delivered within 5 to 4 minutes, that it will be delivered on that particular. So if this level, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification so you get notified anytime we upload another video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.